It has all the elements which makes it one of the most promising cities of India. It is one of the largest industrial township of Asia. It is one of the biggest IT hub of India. It has state-of-art infrastructure, best roads and superior public transport system. It is not very far from New Delhi, yet away from pollution.
I am talking about none other than the Noida city, which is undoubtedly one of the most prominent city of India. My name is Lava, and in this video I am going to explore this amazing city called Noida. Please watch the complete video, as in this video I am going to explore the IT hub, film city and sectors of Noida.
The thing that makes Noida stand apart is its physical infrastructure. It has well-connected road network characterized by wide expressways and plan-based sectors. Noida features three main expressways. One is DND Flyway, which connects Noida with New Delhi. The second is Noida Greater Noida Expressway, which connects Noida to Greater Noida. And the third is Yamuna Expressway, which connects Noida to Agra city. Built as planned city, Noida enjoys wider roads, well-structured green belts and orderly traffic flow. It has many elevated roads which ensures less traffic congestions. The well-maintained roads of Noida make it an ideal place for industries, especially IT companies, for which Noida is especially known for.
One of the main highlights of Noida city is robust metro network. The expansion of metro network has fundamentally changed how people live and work in Noida. You can explore entire Noida through its metro network.
Metro is the lifeline of Noida city. It is the most preferred mode of transportation for coming to Noida. Every day, thousands of commuters use it to come here from different parts of Delhi NCR region to work in different industries located at different sectors of Noida.
Noida is a major shopping hub of Delhi NCR region. The city has some of the largest shopping malls, and it features major 15 shopping malls and complexes.
This is Great India Palace Mall near Sector 18 metro station of Noida. It is among the biggest malls of Delhi NCR region. It is popular shopping mall of Noida city. The mall features a range of stores offering fashion, accessories, electronics, home decor and more. The mall also has a food court and several restaurants serving a variety of cuisines. This is DLF Mall of Noida, located in Sector 18, just opposite to the Great India Palace Mall. This is among the largest mall of Noida and enjoys highest footfall of customers. It houses 350 brands and 73 food and beverages options. This is Sector 18, which is premier commercial and shopping hub of Noida, often described as city's Times Square due to its high energy bustling atmosphere. Apart from shopping mall, it is a prime destination for upscale dining, retail and commercial office space. Served with Noida Sector 18 metro station, it is well connected with Delhi and other parts of Noida. Presence of hotel, cafes and restaurants make it most sought after place to hang around in entire Noida. Sector 18 is also famous for Atta Market, which is popular shopping destination known for its affordable clothing, footwear, electronics and street food.
Noida is also famous for its film city, studios of news channel and production houses. Noida Film City has 100-acre complex which primarily functions as a high-profile media, news and broadcasting hub.
Located in Sector 16A, Noida Film City has evolved from traditional film studio complex into a massive commercial powerhouse dominating the country's television, news and entertainment space. It houses 16 studios, more than 30 corporate houses and 350 broadcasting channels. One can find the studios of many big media channels like Z News, NDTV, Times Now, Dainik Bhaskar, TV Today, etc. It also houses many big studios like Marva Studios, T-Series and also many media schools like Asian Academy of Film and Television. Noida Film City is not as big as Mumbai Film City or Hyderabad's Ramoji Studio. However, it still holds major significance in India media space and employs around 17,000 media professionals. Noida Film City is well connected from New Delhi. You just need to cross DND flyover to reach the Sector 16A where Film City is located. Also one can reach there by metro. Sector 16 is the nearest metro station. Noida has emerged as North India's premier IT hub, ranking among top 10 silicon cities of the world. Noida's premium IT hub is centered in Sector 62, Sector 58 and 59 and recognized as city's primary technology and corporate corridor. It hosts major tech giants like Samsung, Tech Mahindra, IBM, Barclays, etc. One can find major IT clusters and business parks in Noida like Logic Cyber Park, Stellar IT Park. Sector 59 operates as crucial commercial and industrial extension of Noida's IT system, sitting directly adjacent to premier Sector 62. One can find the offices of many corporates like iEnergizer, EXL Service, Havels, etc. Noida's IT hub employs around 3 lakh professionals directly in Noida's IT and tech companies. The sector also supports around 3 lakh indirect jobs in cabs, corporate security and facility management. Noida is also becoming popular in emerging startups which are mushrooming in different sectors. There is no doubt that Noida is one of the best satellite city of India. That is why it is also known as Mini Japan of India.